Welcome back to the channel. A new report suggests for the mobile broadband technology and home broadband, smartphone ownership and home broadband adoption are slightly up since the last year, and 30% of US citizens say they at least sometimes experience problem connecting to internet at home. The smartphone ownership and home broadband subscription have increased among Americans adults since 2019 from 81% and from degrade to 73%. Though the modest, both increases are statistically significant and come at a time when majority of US citizens say the internet has been important to them personally, and 91% of adults report having at least one of these technologies. A modest growth in the share of Americans who say they own a smartphone or have a broadband at home. This graph shows 85% more than 81 just the smartphone users, and this one 77% home broadband. There is a data, and this one is a year suggesting 19 to 21, 81% to change to 85%, and 73 to 77%. These are the changes from 19 to 21, but 30% of say they often or sometimes have problem connecting to the internet at home. 9% says often, 21% says sometimes. There is a net 30, the 30% estimates, and 41% says rarely, 21% say never, and this one do not use internet. That's a remaining 62% if you excluded this 7%. The source gives some survey of US adult conducted on January 25 to February 28, 21, the mobile technology and home broadband services. While there has been a slightly growth in the share who say they subscribe to high-speed internet, about a quarter of the population still does not have a broadband internet connection at home, and broadband non-adopter continue to cite financial constraint as one of the most important reason why they for those services among non-broadband users. The broadband adoption varies substantially by education, household income, some differences less pronounced for smartphone ownership. Some data shown for the smartphone and home broadband services. Smartphone and home broadband comparison for US adult age white black. The shares of Americans with home broadband subscription has similarly grown since 2019 from 73% of adults saying they have one in the previous survey to 77 today. But that share fall to 57% among those whose annual household income is below 30,000 US dollar. The 35 percentage point gap between these two income groups is nearly twice as large as the comparable gap for smartphone ownership. 15% of Americans are smartphone dependent. There's also a report suggests that about 3 in 10 adults under 30 are smartphone dependent. The cost of smartphone capabilities remain the most important reason not broadband users do not subscribe those, and majority of these without home broadband are not interested in having in the future. Roughly 7 to 10 in non broadband users say they are not interested in having broadband. Smartphones, financial barriers, and outside options for internet cited as reason for not having some home broadband. Service is not available or speed is unacceptable. Cost of computer is too expensive. Some other reasons. About 1 in 5 adults, 19% say their most important reason for not having broadband at home is that their smartphone does everything they need to do online. Looking specifically at smartphone dependent American, 3 in 10 say their smartphone doing everything they need to do online. In their most important reason for not having broadband at home, the share did not meaningful change from 2019. Smaller share, 9% each, say that their most important reason for not having high-speed internet at at home is they have other options to internet access outside of home on broadband service not available or not available at an acceptable speed where they live. 20% monthly broadband subscription cost too expensive. 7% computer too expensive. Very much. Smartphone does everything they did. These are the chart and the other option for internet access outside of home service insufficient or not available. Some other reason maybe. The adult ages 18 to 49 are more likely than those 50s and other older to say they often experience problem connecting to the internet at home. And the adult who have some colleges education or less formal education slightly more likely than college graduate. They say to have these troubles. There are no statistical differences among other demographic groups. There is some more data will be coming in the future years, future months, so that there are more changes, more data come in front of us, and we can analyze those data and conclude it in better way for the future of mobile internet and other data availability across the nation. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Welcome back to the channel. A new report suggests for the mobile broadband technology and home broadband, smartphone ownership and home broadband adoption are slightly up since the last year, and 30% of US citizens say they at least sometimes experience problem connecting to internet at home. The smartphone ownership and home broadband subscription have increased among Americans adults since 2019 from 81% and from degrade to 73%. Though the modest, both increases are statistically significant and come at a time when majority of US citizens say the internet has been important to them personally, and 91% of adults report having at least one of these technologies. A modest growth in the share of American